Hello everyone, this is Miss Davy, and I just want to address some students who are like attacking me regarding the video, yung viral video of the bullying incident in Bagong Silangan High School. I just want to clarify things. Unang-una, I am no longer a teacher of Bagong Silangan High School, but I feel very sad dun sa napanood ko rin yung video na yon, and I feel very very sad about what happened. And second thing is, please wag niyo pong lahatin yung mga estudyante ng Bagong Silangan High School for 18 years, and students in Bagong Silangan High School ay mga mamabait po. This is an isolated case, so wag niyo pong lahatin. Hindi po lahat ng estudyante sa Bagong Silangan High School ay mga bullies po. Okay? So, hindi porket may isa or dalawa or tatlong estudyante na mga nakita natin na bully, ilalahat na po natin lahat ng estudyante ng Bagong Silangan High School. And again, lahat po, most of the students are very, very nice. They are kind. They are very respectful. And I am now teaching here in the USA. And how I wish na I have the students like the students in the Philippines, like students in Bagong Silangan High School. Sana sila yung mga estudyante ko rito sa USA. And third, sa nagsasabi na kung may teacher lang sana, hindi mangyayari. Well, we don't know the real story, so please do not jump into conclusion. So, possible na maaring the teacher is absent during that time. So, hindi natin alam. Pwede rin naman na break time nangyari yon. So, you will expect na walang teacher doon sa classroom. Again, I'm not siding doon sa mga nambully. I feel very sad. Kung sana hindi nangyari yon, naawa din ako doon sa taong, sa bata na nabully. Katulad ng lagi kong sinasabi sa mga students ko, even na kung ikaw yung naagrabyado, pero ikaw yung unang nanakit, ikaw pa rin ang may kasalanan. And hindi ko alam kung dahil ba ito sa masyadong matapang yung mga students natin ngayon, dahil ba I don't know, maybe because alam nila na they are protected by the state or whatever. So, hindi natin alam. Pero I feel very sad na ganito yung mga nakikita kong news sa Philippines right now. So, yun, I only wish and hope na naayos at maaksyonan tong nangyari na ito. Again, please, wag niyo pong lahatin yung mga estudyante sa Bagong Silangan High School. And, yeah, another thing pala, okay, another thing din na gusto kong i-address, kasi I have this video na hindi naman siya before maraming views, pero dahil nag-viral tong incident na to sa Bagong Silangan High School, I'll show you. This was one of the last videos I made with students bago ako umalis ng Bagong Silangan High School, bago ako lumipad papuntang Amerika. And hindi po sila yung nasa viral video na nambully. No, these kids, yung mga naging estudyante ko, wala akong masabi sa kanila. They are all good. They are all nice. Very respectful. Kaya please stop the hate. And also, just my scent, okay? Don't get offended by this. Galit na galit kayo sa mga nambubuli. Pero yung marami sa inyo, you're using this viral video as clout para lang, magkaroon kayo ng views or whatever. I don't know, anong purpose ninyo, bakit kayo gumagawa ng ganito or whatever. Pero please, stop spreading the video. Oo, nagkamali yung mga bata, and I'm not siding with them, pero you're also bullying them in a way na, I don't know, just stop the hate, okay? May pananagutan ng mga bata, and I hope maayos nila ito, mabigyan ng magandang ng sanction tong mga batang ng bully. But then again, this will not, hindi dapat ito yung mag-define ng buong buhay nila. They are kids, okay? Hindi porket nagkamali sila ngayon, for all their life, ganito na lang sila, okay? please give chance to them na magbago rin sila. Yun lang. Have a great day, everyone.